Want to join the 1% Club? The people who live life on their own terms, earn big, and create real impact. Well, it's not just luck. It's a formula, and today, I'm going to share it with you. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Today, we're talking about how to break into the 1% Club. Those individuals living at the top of their game. And no, it's not about being born with a silver spoon. It's about strategy, mindset, and the right moves. So let's dive in. Most people stay stuck in the same cycle, while a small percentage build massive wealth, freedom, and influence. So, what's the secret? Mindset shift. Believe that it is possible. The 1% believe in themselves, and they believe in the future. They're not waiting for a perfect moment or an easy way out. They know that success comes from consistent, focused effort. If you think it's impossible, you're already losing. Your mindset must say, I can do this. I will do this. And that brings us to the next part of the formula: mastering money. Leverage, not just earn. Next, let's talk about money. The 1% doesn't just earn money. They leverage it. They invest, make their money work for them, and think long term. They're looking for assets, not liabilities. Stop thinking of money as just what you can spend right now. Think about how you can multiply it, whether it's through real estate, stocks, or building businesses. The power of networking. Surround yourself with winners. The 1% connect with other winners. Make sure you're spending time with ambitious, driven people who push you to be better. Network, collaborate, and learn from others who've made it. Don't be afraid to step out of your circle. Consistency over time. No shortcuts. Finally, the 1% don't have shortcuts. They grind. They stay committed even when it gets tough. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's about showing up every single day, putting in the work, and constantly improving. The grind might seem slow, but trust me, it pays off. So, are you ready to join the 1% Club? Drop a yes in the comments if you're committed to making it happen. And hey, if you got value from this video, hit that like button. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Remember, it's not about being born lucky. It's about taking action, mindset, and playing the long game. See you at the top.